Here is the SUDROV Solar Power Bank. Let's get it open and check it out.
To start with, it's more than just a solar charging power bank. It also comes with its own thermometer, a metal hook right here so you can hang it up. It also has flashlights right here that you can set on all the time. You can change it to the SOS blinking mode like this, where it does it for you automatically in Morse code. You can also set it to a fast blinking mode like this. And there's also an LED red laser pointer right there. This is great for outdoors because it's dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof. You see it has these sturdy corners on it for when it gets dropped. And what it's primarily made for is its solar charging capabilities. Here's the solar charging panel right here, and that can charge up to 42,800 milliamp hours of battery life. And with that much battery, you could be powering your devices for up to a week. Now, even though it's a solar battery, you don't only have to charge it through its solar capabilities, there's also the magnetic charger right on the back. Now, built into this thing are 4 different cables here. Here we have input for USB-A, and 3 outputs on the back. One's a lightning cable for all your Apple devices. One is a Type-C that goes with almost everything these days. And the other one is the very common micro USB. And we have 3 more ports down here as well. This is an output for USB. This one is output and input for USB-C. And this one's an input for your lightning cables. And you can actually also charge it through the USB-C input and the iOS input as well. And for extras, this also comes with a Type-C to Type-C adapter, as well as this carabiner, so we can clip it on and hang it up.